You need to look out. We're on the train right now, heading to Chicago. Just gonna do a little walking around, a little shopping, little bopping, you know. Weather isn't super great, but I'm hopeful.
Yeah, we're hopeful that it'll get sunny later.
Alright, so we made it to the city.
Oh yeah.
It's a little bit chilly, but not terrible.
So we have our matching jackets. Though,
Yeah.
So you know, we're good.
Yeah, we found a place that we want to eat. It's called Wells Street Marketplace.
Yeah.
So we're heading towards it right now, but we're gonna stop at Ulta and look at some makeup.
silly things.
Yeah. So we just got the best pictures.
Goals.
It was
timer picture ever. Oh my
I'm
god.
obsessed. Here,
I'll
let's-
show it.
Here, I'll insert it so you can see how amazing it is.
So
yeah,
good. So good.
We were only at Ulta long enough for me to buy a travel-sized mascara and powder because I refuse to spend my money on the full-size things. This may be a hot take, but I think makeup is way too expensive. They even tried to charge me for a bag. Alright, so we made it to Wells Street Marketplace for lunch. Yeah, I got some ramen. It looks really good. It has like dumplings, looks like, some like garlicky broth. It's a little spicy. And I got this like bao bun with like pulled pork in it and like some beans and a Diet Coke. I'm like living my life. It looks so good. Stay tuned because we're gonna get some donuts later. You best believe. We secured the bag. In the best kind of bag. That has a donut in it. Oh my god. Like, oh my god. Like, are we kidding? How was that? I'm feeling a little pukey right now. It was a lot. With my friends. Alright, we're on our way to Urban. We're just gonna look for some dorm stuff.
Possibly
for
dorm
IU.
stuff.
And just, you know,
We're gonna try not to buy anything, but
We're gonna try.
that never works
but-
out. Hoosier daddy. Just urban things.
Okay, so here's a few things.
This is the
We
top.
tried on. Yeah.
I really like the cut. It's just being dragged out in the back because of the magnet thingy, but
Yeah.
it's just like a really nice summer shirt.
That's cute. This is a men's shirt. But it's,
it's
cute. It's got like a
adorable.
little,
The design is so cute.
yeah.
Some good
Jeans.
basics right here.
Jeans way too small, but
Yeah.
so we were right here, walked all the way down there just to get back into here. Oh my god, we're stupid. Alright, so we copped some sunglasses.
Yeah.
Matching, but not exactly matching.
Same
Just
shape,
same
different
shape.
color.
Yeah. And we got a steal on it.
Yes, yeah.
And you got a shirt.
I got a little top too. Just like a simple black top.
Successful trip. We said we weren't going to spend any money.
We didn't break the bank surprisingly.
No.
So that was good. That was good.
It was good. Now we're gonna go look for a place to take
Yeah,
some
we're
pictures.
on the hunt for a scene.
There shouldn't be lack of places.
No, it's Chicago. There's gonna be somewhere to take a picture.
Yeah. So cute. That's adorable. Oh my god. So we spent some time taking pictures. Somehow my SD card wasn't completely full after the accidental 14-minute video of us doing nothing. So that's cool.
I know what you're thinking. Why are you taking pictures by the bean? That's the most basic thing you can do in Chicago, but I think it's safe to say that they turned out pretty cool and unique. We took this one with a timer, and it just makes me laugh because it looks like we should be on the front of some weird magazine. An open rehearsal for the Chicago Symphony. Yeah,
Sounds really good.
it sounds like a movie soundtrack. Yeah, it's so weird. Yeah, they're really cool.
It's so relaxing. Weather is perfect.
It's beautiful. The sun is shining. The sky is blue. We could not ask for anything better. It's so peaceful. We love Chicago. We love you. Oh yeah. We were a little disappointed. We wanted to get an acai bowl.
Oh yeah.
But the person that was working the place wasn't even there.
And they didn't have granola.
Yeah, why are you gonna eat an acai bowl with no granola?
Right. Roots
So-
it is.
Roots it is. Here we come, Valpo.
So basically we're on the train right now. Thankfully, Emma thought it was leaving at 5:08. So we're very early. We're ahead of schedule. Good thing we didn't miss it. But yeah, we're just on our way home and we're feeling exhausted.
Yes.
So this has been our little trip into the city. It's one of my personal favorites. No, not because I'm a shopaholic. Alright, who am I kidding? It gets you walking, gets you moving, and laughing if you're us too. But the cool thing is you never know what you're gonna see. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.